to another Tracker Tim trucking vlog. Ooh, we're on this. So, today we are, what are we doing today? Oh yeah, we're going to Knottingley. Up to Knottingley, Wakefield way, up north, up the A1. We need fuel this morning because if you remember from the previous vlog, we are very, very nearly empty. I'll get my stuff ready. Yeah, up to Knottingley. Got a few pallets up there. Come back to out, unload them. Then we're going in the roll on, roll off, skip lorry. Local, we'll see. Swap a skip over there. So we'll do that this afternoon. Yeah, hope you're enjoying the vlogs, guys. I'm gonna get set up here. Got air fresheners. Look at them. What cool are they? Smell alright. I'll put them up there with my collection later on. Cold's nearly gone. It is nearly gone. It's nearly gone. So I'm going to do some paperwork and then you know the score, we'll crack on. So I've done all my paperwork. I'm just trying to clear my window at the moment. Got this on flat out. Sorry for the noise. But yeah, you can see we're just out of the red. So first job is diesel this morning at Thorny Toll. Turn them fans down a bit. Yeah, right. We're off then. Another day. Another day in paradise. I'm not last out today. I'm second out. 2 cars. Second out the yard. We're at the BP garage. Here we are. Refueling is underway. Looks a bit slow. But I put my hydraulic pipe in there, so I don't have to hold it. I'll wedge it in. There I be. Still going. Hold up, we're nearly there. 600 quid that's got to. That'll do. I'm bored now. Been here about 15 minutes, I think. Right, let's go and pay. 627 quid. Oh, there we go. While that was taking so long, I put my cherry air freshener up. Look, poppy. It's awesome. Like that. Smells good. Right, we'll put this away and then we'll trundle on up to Knottingley. Woo, let's go. Flash him out. No worries, mate. So yeah, you rejoin me about an hour and a half later. We're up just near the A57 turn off workshop. We've cracked on up the A1. Nothing to report really. Nothing to report when it costs 47 up the A1. We're about 35-40 minutes from the job. We're not booked in there till 7. And I think we're going to get there about 20 past 6, something like that. So we'll turn up and see what they say. They'll either say go away and come back at 7. Or they'll say come on in. But we shall see. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I think it's probably going to be a bay loader. So just open the back doors, back on the bay, and I'll bang the pallets in. My paperwork says 11 pallets, so it shouldn't be a bad little job, fingers crossed. My lorry is actually quite fast. Is he going to let me out? You come in or what? What are you doing? Just annoy me and people mess about. Just get on with it. Yeah, as you can see, guys, my lorry is quite quick. There's not a lot that overtakes me, apart from the old Irish boys. They come by me like I'm standing still. But it's alright, mate. I'm going to stay out because I'm having this one and all. Thank you very much. I'll flash the indicator to say thank you. I'm having this one as well. Fell Welsh. Oh, where are you going? Ooh, it's getting a bit close. It's There's not a lot of room, is there? Look at that though. This is us coming off the A1. Off we come. Yeah. Hope I didn't need to go down there. I haven't got the sat nav on. I don't think we need to go down there. Oh God, do we need to go down there? Oh Tim. Oh Tim. Yep. Yep, I should have gone down there. Oh crap. How do I turn round? Oh, I've gone wrong. Oh God. Here we go, we're back on track. That weren't too bad actually. Just went up a junction and come back round. I thought, don't need my sat nav on, that's nice and easy to find. But I didn't expect it to be down where it said M62 and services. Because I've just come off the A1, I didn't want to get on the M62 really. So I thought it was straight on, but it wasn't. It's because my TomTom stopped working as well, so I'd use my phone for sat nav. But I was filming, weren't I? So I didn't have it on. And it all just went wrong, but it's fine. We're going in here. We're in! We're in! We're in! We're in! We're in! We want to go around to Bay 79. Apparently that's all the way around the building, all the way around the back. And I gotta find someone called Kieran. Hang on a minute. Oh, don't tell me I've gone by it, I have to go back round again. Oh. Hang on a minute. Oh no! I'm not used to these bloody bays and stuff. What's this? 79. Oh, it's here. Ken! Only works with Josh. Let's go round again. Baby, turn back the hands of time. That's where we come in over there. I've now been told to go around again to Bay 24. So this is the bay we want. There, 24. Get my back doors open and get back on there then. That'll do. Let's go and open the back doors. Better get high vis on. Hood up, it's cold. Compactor. Get these open. Is that one done? Empty. Do this one. Come here, you. There we go. Finish up backing on. Steady as you go, steady as you go, old boy. Oh, there we go, we're on. Well, that's me sitting on the dock of the bay. They didn't tell me to go and hand my paperwork in. Hand my paperwork in? Go and hand my keys in or anything like that. So I shall just sit here and see what happens. Or maybe I should go to find an office. I don't know. I just don't know. We're loaded! We've got a green light. We have a green light. I've pulled forward, as you can see. Now I'll shut my back doors up and get out of here. Done the paperwork. I'm not in at the top. Oh, Put that on there. All secured. Right, let's get the truck out of here. Just starting to get light now. Better put some lights on as well. The exit gate is just there on my right. But it's one way, and I gotta go all the way around the building again to get out, which is a pain. Bit of a pain. But we gotta do what we gotta do, I suppose. Keep within the rules of the site, if you will. Dr. Pepper for the journey back. So we've been in here over an hour, but we weren't booked in till 7 anyway, so it's only took about 40 minutes, so we can just plough back to the yard now anyway. Let's crack on with it. Let me out! Let me out! Thanks a lot. Oh, slowing it. All the traffic northbound, look. Trucking down the A1. The sun is rising. Yeah, got my sunglasses on. So yeah, we are nearly back at Stamford now. I did have one lorry come by me though, and he beat me. He had train horns. He's like, I think he was a follower. In a daft with a container on. Let me know if it was you, mate. Nice truck, by the way. Oh, I need to move over. No, he's not going to let me over. Pointless. Pointless. Because the thing behind didn't move over, so it's absolutely pointless. But at least I tried. I'll do the indicator tick because it stopped working. We're coming in hot, we're coming in hot. Oh, crap. There's a lorry on the way bridge. Need to take that in, hand that in. Let's get a hoodie on. Hoodie on. What's the time? What time is it? 25 past 10. Not too bad. I'm going to go wade in, do paperwork, and I'll be back in a minute. Right, got to go to yard 2 to unload this Pacific load. Specific, not Pacific, specific. I really need to clean my mirrors. I keep saying it. Can't see chuff all well, that one really. We've got Roger smashing the unload. Go on, Roger. We be empty. Roger smashed it. Right then, that's us out of our lorry. Let's go and get in that skip lorry over there. I think I can hear Josh coming on the road sweep. God, here we go. As it turns out, it wasn't Josh, it was somebody else in the road sweep. So, shut that up. Wind the old girl up. Let's get you up on there. There we go. Hi Viz here. Take that with us. Do some paperwork. Get the card in this truck. There we go. Very comfortable here. Go and do this job. So this one, she's a manual. I don't know where Josh is. Let's crack on to Whittlesea. And just like that, I'm back in here. Well, do you know what happened? There's been a change of plan. Boss rang up, said, "Well, you ain't gone to Whittlesea yet, have you?" I said, "I'm just leaving." He said, "Don't go. I'll give that to somebody else. Can you take a go and pick a trailer up from Wisbech instead?" I was like, "Yeah, okay." So I've just parked that back up over there. Just dropped my orange trailer there. Can you see it? Just keep looking. Keep looking. There. See it? Could have just picked my phone up and showed you. There's a skip lorry. Just parked it back up there. Right, so let's get to Wisbech instead. That's how transport can change. 1 minute you're doing one thing, 1 minute you're doing the next. You can just never know. You just never know. It changes like the wind, transport. Anyway, let's get to Wisbech. Let's go. Here we are then, picking up this trailer. Climb up on the back, get all my airlines on, wind the legs up and go. There we go. Make sure that clips in. We're all good. Let's get out of here. I've got my hoodie off. Right, here we go then. Let's take this back to the yard. Fully serviced. We actually, I'm just trying to think. We bought this trailer in on Tuesday's vlog. Yeah, I'm just trying to think where we're at and where we're at. Yeah, Tuesday's vlog. Go back to the yard, drop this, hook back up to our orange one ready for tomorrow, and then I think we can go home. I think, fingers crossed. We'll have to see when we get back. Just waiting for the gate to open. I'm almost back now with trailer free. Just coming up to the roundabout and then round the roundabout, round a sweepy right hand bend and left into the yard. My lorry's got to go in tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, ready for Friday. And I'm going to see if they'll look at the indicator click, see what's up with that. It's very annoying. Well, it's not annoying. I don't mind it, but sometimes you forget your indicators on. Unless you look. Here we are, here we are, here we are, here we are, here we are. But yeah, we still had a full day at it. Anyway, time we've got sorted. I haven't got to go on the weighbridge, haven't got to unload or anything. Just go straight round and park up. That's what I like. Oh, there's a van. Thank you. There's my trailer. I'm going to drop this down there, I think, and then hook up to that. So let's get backed in. Little tip with reversing is your starting position. If you get your starting position right, you generally go in better. But if you're not right when you start, it can be the be all or end all. Back that truck up. Where are we? That'll do, donkey. Right, let's drop this. Hook up to the orange one. There we go. Drop that there. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Hello, Nicki Minaj. And then, oh. There we go. All hooked up. Right, drop that one over there in that gap. I'm going to hook all this up properly, put the legs up, put that clip in, put the airlines on, ready for tomorrow. All done. Get the card out. That's the end to another Trucker Tim trucking vlog. Did you enjoy that one? Who knows? But thanks for watching if you made it this far. That's awesome. Thank you very much. Please smash that like button or dislike button. I'm not bothered. And please leave a comment, because that really helps the old algorithms and it gives a bit of feedback to me as well, to what you guys like or what you don't like. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for plenty more vlogs to come, hopefully. I'll speak to you later, guys.